start mechanical design, part design, sketcher, sketcher, sketcher. Okay. Select the plane, sketcher. We enter into the sketcher workbench. Now we are going to learn about keyhole profile. This command creates a keyhole profile. This profile has a large and small arcs connected through a slot. Click OK. Select one point. Okay, this is larger circle point. Now I'm giving a straight line. Here we give a small circle. Okay. Okay. Click here. Now choose big hole. Okay. This is the keyhole profile. Once I can see here, I selected starting point and selected second point, ending point. Here I gave some width. Here you can observe one thing. This hole is not accepting. Here we can see here minus symbol means it is minimum radius, so we can't give minimum radius for this circle. It is bigger hole. Okay. Okay, we can see here radius 21 and here radius is 14.5. Just try to give here 14 mm radius. See here what happened. The color is changed about this keyhole. So it is not possible. This hole is always greater than this hole. So give some 15. Okay now. So now I am giving 20. And here it is. I am giving 10. Okay. I want length. 71. I want to give 50. Let's decrease. Again some dimension 20. Okay, this is the keyhole profile. We learn keyhole profile. The name itself indicating that keyhole. Okay, within one option, using one option to we can draw keyhole profile directly. This is the advantage of this tool. Okay, see now first I started point here, the second point is here, so always first point indicates bigger circle, small second point indicates smaller circle. Okay, that's the point we have to remember. Okay, now let's delete these things. Now here we drawn keyhole profile, but it is not constrained. Okay, So here it is not constrained. What we have to do? We have to constrain this line to XY axis. Okay, this one and this one. Right click, coincidence. Okay, we have merged this line with vertical axis. Now point to horizontal line. Okay, I am giving 35. Now what happened for this? It is not constrained. So what is the problem? Height. So we didn't give the dimension for this. Give some 70. Now this is fully constrained. To constrain keyhole profile, the line have to constrain with x or y axis any one of the point between these 2 points. Any one of the point we have to constrain with the horizontal axis, and this line dimension and radius, bigger hole diameter and a smaller hole diameter. This is needed to constrain the keyhole profile. Okay. You'll see some angle is there. Giving length 100. This is the length. 270 degrees. So I am giving angle now. I am giving 135. That is the okay. Here I am giving that's it. Okay. Thanks for watching CAD Tech tutorials. Please subscribe our channel, like the video, share the video.